Guys, so let's talk about the winter seasons of trading. So I want to be able to dive in a little bit here, talk to you guys about the charts during this time, especially we're coming to Thanksgiving, right? Um, what has happened so far in the presidential election, coming to Thanksgiving, and then coming to the month of December, and how slow and how low volume the markets are. So you guys get a chance to understand where I'm going with this. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get back to here. Want to be able to hop in and show you guys. So as far as we know, right? As far as we know, what has happened during the beginning of November was the presidential election, with Trump versus Harris, and Trump has won. Markets were skyrocketed, crypto shot up. So I don't. We all saw the uptrend for the upcoming win for Trump taking office, right? And now I'm gonna hop in because this upcoming week we have Thanksgiving. So what I'm gonna repeat is that Monday through Wednesday morning, are probably this is gonna be best days for trading. After Wednesday morning, which would be the month of, I mean not the month, the day of the 27th, I would highly suggest not to trade after the morning of Wednesday. If not, just trade Monday and Tuesday, and then take the Wednesday the rest of the week off until we come into the first week, which would be December 2nd, which is Monday. So back to what I'm going to highlight here. Not here. US dollar telling me to dip back down. This is on the daily chart here. Matter of fact, let's hop into the monthly chart. I want to actually see where things have been diving. US dollar is still trying to make a move up. Gold, oh, gold shot down, but then now it's trying to retrace back up again. Silver, half the candle here of the retracement. US 30 is on a massive move going up on the monthly. S&P still trying to break through 6,000, and NASDAQ is losing, and it shot all the way up to 20,800. All right. So yeah, let's see here. UCAD coming back down monthly. UJ still is trying to make a move back up. U Swiss trying to hit the 90 mark. Euro going down. Euro British pound is going down. Even the pound is going down. Australia is trying to create support here at 64.9. And then another support price here, the monthly for 58 on New Zealand. All right. Just going on monthly just to see where things are headed for, you know, at the end of this month closing. So, all right. All right. So, I'm going back to the winter season of trading. So, be mindful that the markets are going to be really choppy. And what I mean by choppy is that there's really tight, narrow price ranges for most of the currency pairs. There might be a few pairs where, they don't really follow the correlation or the inverse correlation of any pair, right? There are times, for instances, where gold would go up on its own because what has happened on the political tension side between the United States with the Russian-Ukraine war, right? Like when Biden was ordering missile strikes, that actually caused, gold to go up. So gold is like a safe haven, right? So safe haven pairs like gold, silver, the precious metals, they gain a lot. And that's something that's something to consider when there's a lot of unexpected political tensions between two countries. So we have that going on too. And then another thing, like people are talking about Trump issuing a warning, and also the World War III crisis that could possibly happen. I don't foresee World War III happening anytime soon. That would have to be really, really that'd take a lot for us to for the United States to even go into World War III. That's just my opinion. Like I said, we still have so much political tensions here in the United States between ourselves. So that's a lot. Um, Not saying that we're gonna have a civil war or anything. I'm just talking about, what the potential things that are gonna happen when Trump comes into office for next year when he gets inaugurated in the middle of January. So when Biden leaves office on that day, we'll see what he issues and what he signs, what bills he passes at the beginning of the year, So, and like I said, he's a businessman, so I don't want to get too much into the political side here. But back to winter season trading is that once we finish off Thanksgiving, pay attention to what's going to happen with the markets, especially, how where the US dollar is going to go, what's going to happen with gold and silver, what's going to happen with the indices such as Wall Street, S&P 500, and NASDAQ, right? So as far as for like all the other like major currencies, I wouldn't pay too much attention. Sometimes these currencies don't really do a whole lot, and that's why I flip around and look at gold and silver and all the indices because they make the most amount of money in trading Forex. The only currency that makes a lot of money is the pound. The pound pays the most in all the other currencies and aspects. If you were to trade, the euro, Australia, New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand are the least amount to pay. Like I said, US dollar pairs. If you try to trade exotic pairs, that's on you. I don't touch any of the exotic pairs. Really, very rare to ever touch any cross pairs. So finishing off, I pay attention to the low volume of trading. Markets are going to end up being really slow, choppy, very tight, narrow price ranges. You know, like I said, most of these upcoming weeks and days of the winter season trading, you're going to have to scalp the markets. So yes, I'm going to send out my weekly swing signal analysis and my weekly swing signals. I still do that. But you also have to be mindful that you're gonna have to adapt to the markets around, you know, around this time. And also, scalping is really great during tax season. And so I'll make another video to remind you guys, how important it is to scalp the markets during any type of season when the markets are not going the way of swinging. So, other than that, I hope this video makes sense for you guys. I just don't want to make this a long video. Any questions or concerns in regards to, my topic here, explaining, the winter season trading, let me know in the Telegram chat group or even on the comments on YouTube. Peace out, guys.